Welcome back. My name is Tammy and this is NurseMinder, and on this channel we do everything nursing. So if you're new here, consider subscribing below so that you get the next video when it's released. Hi! Today we are learning numbers 1 to 100 in sign language. Now, as a nurse, why do you need to know numbers 1 to 100? Well, you might be asking a patient, how old are you? Or how old are you? Or you might be needing to ask somebody, what's your phone number? So we're going to start with the basics. First of all, number is like taking two O's, but they're kind of squished out a little bit. And we're going to tap the index finger pads together. Number, number, number. And then let's start with 1 to 10 to begin with. They're fairly easy and straightforward, so there's not a lot of explanation needed. So number 1 is your index finger. Bring up your middle finger with that for number 2. Now you might be thinking we're going here for number 3, but that is not the case. Number 3 is actually with your thumb out. For number 4, we're going to bring our thumb in and lift up those fingers. And number 5 is your full palm. So now what do we do with number 6? I'm only going to use one hand. We're going to bring our pinky and thumb together. 6. So you might imagine 7 is your ring finger and your thumb. 8 is your middle finger and your thumb. 9 is your index finger and your thumb, and 10 is the thumb waving back and forth. Awesome. So now that the easy ones are done, let's move between 11 to 20. So with the number 11, we're going to take our number 1 finger and just hold it down by our thumb. With your palm in and your fist out, you're just going to flick that finger twice. 11. 11. 12 is the same way, but with 2 fingers, okay? So we're just going to hold them in here with our thumb at first, and palm in towards me, fist out, and we're going to go 12. 12. So how old are you? I am 11. Many moons ago. 13 we're going to change. So 11 and 12, the movement was away from us. From 13 to 15, the movement is in. So we're going to take our fingers and wave it in. 13, 13. 14 is the same, just take your 4 fingers, 14, 14. And 15, put your thumb out and then continue to wave in those fingers, 15, 15. Okay? So from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 16 to 19 is fairly straightforward. We're going to take our 10 and match it up with the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is 2 fingers together, like a duck. Wah, wah. 20, 20. I am 20. So this is old when you're answering, and this is old when you're asking the question. So twice when you ask, how old are you? I am this many years old, 20. 21 starts with a little bit of a gun here. Bum, bow, bum, bow. 21. Legal everywhere. Boo, boo, boo. 21. 22 is you take your 2 and you're going to bounce it. 22. Oh, 23 is like this. We're going to take our 2 and our 3 together and we're going to wiggle that 3rd extra finger. 23. 24. And 25, we're going to wiggle that middle finger, which is separating the 2 from the 5. 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 is you take 3 to a 0, 30. You may also see like 30 and a couple taps there, 30, 31, 32, 33, we bounce those same digits, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. You're probably noticing a pattern, which is great. So now we're going to go 51. Sorry, my fingers are getting lazy. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, Hey, did you notice that? I went 55 and it should be a 55. Put a little bounce in those numbers. You're gonna find 2 more places where my hands got a little lazy. Coming forward, watch for those. 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Okay. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and now if you're following along, you notice I went 69, and this is 68. 69, and if you caught that bonus, that means you're picking up on the numbers in sign language. So 69, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 80, 88, 89, and 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. My fingers have a mind of their own. 98, 99, and 100. So now you might be asking, what's your phone number? And see if you can write this number down. I'll do that one more time. The number you should have is 780-464-3390. And if you call that number, it's out of service. That's my old number. You may be asking, how old are you? So I'm going to sign a couple now and you let me know. I'm going to answer the question, how old are you? Did you get it? I am 33 years old. Try another one. Do you remember this one? I am 21 years old. One more. That's true. That one's true. I am 51. So we use numbers in a lot of our conversations, and I hope this lesson from numbers 1 to 100 is helpful. Practice again, rewind if you need to, revisit the 1, 2, 3s. And if you haven't already watched the video on your ABCs, go ahead and watch that, because as I mentioned, we finger spell a lot of words where we don't have a symbol for. Combining your letters with your numbers, you are on your way. Until next time, guys, make it a great day. Hey, I know you're probably not ready to get off your phone or go back to work just yet, or maybe even turn the lights off to go to sleep. So why don't you spend a little bit more time here watching another video.